BHP Billiton finally bit the bullet on Friday, announcing that a collapse in the domestic gas prices had caused a write-down of $3 billion off the shale gas assets bought from Chesapeake Energy for $17 billion in February last year. Now, the bigger Petro-Hawk deal didn't get affected by a write-down. That was no big surprise, I guess. Perhaps the surprise was that it wasn't more than $3 billion.
Yeah, I think the write-down came at the low end of expectations. I think there's a lot of interest in what came with that announcement too. Marius Kloppers and Mike Yeager both said they would forgo the bonus this time. And also BHP Chairman Jack Nausser came out with the ringing endorsement of Marius Kloppers. And after sort of
he's been getting a lot of stick, right?
He has. A lot of people have been saying his job's finished and he's gone and he has made a lot of mistakes, and so people are starting to talk him down. Or the news from BHP on Friday would indicate that for the foreseeable future his job's safe.
Yeah. And he's given up his bonus.
Yeah, he's made a lot of mistakes. So that old thing I pointed out, I think, on an earlier programme was the top of the market was the 1st of November 2011, and BHP bid for Rio on the 12th of November 2011. You know, a monumental mistake. I believe a lot of
thankfully
industries...
he didn't get it.
Yeah, true. But who is the more stupid person, the person bidding or Rio for rejecting it? You know, they're both resources companies absolutely getting it wrong.
But what he's got to do to follow up now is a bit of capital management and stop the capex, which there's all sorts of talk about delaying the outer harbour at Port Hedland, delaying Olympic Dam, and that's what he's got to do, and maybe he'll get his bonus next year.
Everyone's been wanting capital management or capital return from BHP for ages, but it would cause a mining company physical pain to give money back to shareholders. They can't do it.
Capital management last year. They did a buyback.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
They've had a couple of them, actually.
But they're not going to give, like, we're talking tens of billions, right?
Sure. It's a big company.
Yeah. But I think you're missing the point, because I think the reason why they had the write-down, the reason why they're not doing maybe the outer harbour is because they don't have so much cash flow anymore. I mean, what the write-down was all about was that, hey, you guys, the world has changed. You know, as we've all been talking about, the China boom's finished and we've got to get used to a different environment. And so that environment doesn't mean that BHP's got a lot of cash to throw at shareholders.
Well, doesn't it mean doesn't it just mean they paid too much?
Well, it means that, yeah, absolutely, they paid too much. And I think Marius Kloppers, when he came out, he was more contrite than I think most have seen for a long time, which again, in view of all the commentary, was interesting. I think he's showing his human side, I guess.
He's shown the side he is actually worried about his job, after all.
Well, I think it's a big call, and he's... Yeah.
But all those things, you know, cutting back on capex, handing money back, it's just going to be a function of the resources boom going bust. If that's what's happening, it's a recognition that we can't just keep investing and let's start giving the money back because our return on equities drops.
But that's what they've got to do. They can't just keep putting money into big holes.
Ultimately, all that process will be part of a resources bust, and which way do you think the BHP share price is going? So you don't buy for capital management possibility. You don't buy for, you know, capex cutbacks. You get out, stay out, unless the resources boom comes back, and that at the moment it isn't. So
it was interesting that Rio's shares went down a lot more on Friday than BHP's did. Yeah, so why is that? Is that because they've got their results coming out next week and everyone thinks they're going to be bad?
Can only guess that that's what it was. But yeah, they do have results.
I suppose it could be
next
also
week
because the write-down wasn't as much as everyone thought it would be.
Well, exactly, and their price has also gone up a lot during the week. And Rio, of course, is a lot more exposed to iron ore than BHP. BHP's got a more diversified portfolio, which is one of their plus points.